After drinking the medicine, I felt sleepy. After taking the medicine, I felt sleepy. Take your medicine is the perfect collocation. He shows no regard to other people. He shows no regard for other people. Regard for is equal to respect for. So, regard for is the correct usage. Describe about the French Revolution. Describe the French Revolution. Describe about something is wrong. Describe something is the correct usage. The deer runs fastly. The deer runs fast. There is no adverb in English like fastly. He forgot all his cricket stuffs at home. He forgot all his cricket stuff at home. Stuff is an uncountable noun. So, stuffs is wrong.